Morning, friends. So, for today, I woke up very early, mga around 1:50. So, I did first my reading, and after that, I prepped myself for this morning fun run. So, sayo kaayo, mga around 2 na kapin karon. And excited na kayo kung mag-join sa fun run. And I'm so happy and satisfied kay I prepare myself for this. Nag-prepare dito sa charot. Alam mo naman, 42 km. So, di matala ko ba? Kaya siya mag-lock sa mong door karon. Pag magawas na to. I'm still waiting for my friend Junaline. So excited na kaayo. Kulang ko tulog, pero okay lang. Mapabit lang niya. Kara na siguro. Bye-bye.